Today, we're getting into the latest Rivian news, including new details on Rivian's new partner for their cutting-edge EV manufacturing facility, Cybertruck infringing upon Rivian's battery extender patent, and plenty more, so let's get into it. Now, in today's top news, Rivian has secured a crucial partnership for its ambitious $5 billion EV manufacturing facility in Stanton Spring, Georgia. The chosen collaborator is Clayco, tasked with overseeing the construction of this sprawling 1,800-acre complex, projected to generate around 16,000 jobs in the local community. Now, Rivian's upcoming manufacturing facility boasts an annual capacity of 400,000 units upon completion, signaling a significant leap for the company. And anticipation builds as Rivian gears up for the formal groundbreaking ceremony scheduled for early 2024, marking the commencement of vertical construction shortly thereafter. The facility output will feature the much anticipated mid-size SUV known as the Rivian R2, set to hit the market with a compelling starting price of $40,000. And for those seeking a top-tier option, the range-topping variant is expected to come in at about $50,000 price tag. Rivian plans to unveil this exciting model in early 2024, as shared by the company's Chief Financial Officer Claire McDonough back in June of 2023. You can discover the significance of Rivian's R2 platform by tuning into RJ Scaringe's recent insights on the How I Built This podcast with Guy Raz. In the podcast, Scaringe discusses the strategic similarities between the R2 platform and Tesla's Model 3, highlighting the Model 3's role as Tesla's groundbreaking, affordable electric vehicle that propelled the company to positive profits. Rivian, having initially focused on the flagship R1 product with intentionally higher pricing for enhanced features and capabilities, aims to distill the essence of its brand into more accessible models. The task at hand for Clayco, entrusted with constructing the new vertically integrated production line, is to drive down the costs associated with the R2 production. The goal is to make the manufacturing process as affordable and efficient as possible. Fortunately, Clayco brings a wealth of experience, having previously worked on various EV-related projects, including VinFast's manufacturing plant in North Carolina and Entech's lithium battery manufacturing facility in Indiana. The company attributes its success to the Inflation Reduction Act. As Rivian and Clayco join forces, the stage is set for an exciting chapter in the evolution of electric vehicles. Next up, Rivian has a surprising twist in the electric vehicle saga. Rivian holds a patent for a range extender that could potentially overlap with Tesla's Cybertruck. Now, in 2019, Rivian filed a patent for a removable auxiliary battery, securing the patent in 2020 and establishing its claim on this innovative tech. What sets the patent apart and raises eyebrows is the focus on an integrated cooling system, a feature that may be the reason for earning its exclusive protection. The patent details an auxiliary battery module designed to attach to the electric vehicle, supplying power to the electric motor through a sophisticated electrical connector system. Positioned in the cargo area, it serves its purpose while remaining removable and reattachable, featuring an integrated cooling system with a circulating coolant conduit. Now, this cooling innovation is a standout element, likely contributing to the patent's unique status. The intriguing question arises: if Tesla were to ship its proposed battery extender, would it differ enough to avoid infringing on Rivian's patent? Has Tesla possibly sought a licensing agreement with Rivian, or will Rivian take a hands-off approach, believing in the open availability of this technology for potential truck buyers? The complex landscape of patents and proprietary technologies in the electric vehicle realm adds a layer of uncertainty to the future. Speculation mounts on whether Tesla will indeed release its battery extender, or if it was just a strategic move to mitigate criticism over the Cybertruck's promised range. The unfolding drama between these two automotive giants promises to keep enthusiasts and the industry on the edge of their seats. And that is all of this week's Rivian news. Please like, subscribe for more up-to-date information on Rivian. It really helps my channel. And remember, adventure is always out there.